Wow. Fluffy, fluffy, fluffy. This is really, really yummy. I'm already having a bite of it. I'm using this for dinner, guys. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. How are you all doing? So just in case you are wondering, where is the part where I miss the bread? So that part of the video is not here because I was on live on Facebook while I was missing the bread, but I'm going to explain it step by step just in case you want to try it out. So first I added spinach and 2 eggs into my blender. Then I blended it. Then in my bowl I added my all-purpose flour with bread yeast, a pinch of salt. So if you want to add sugar to yours, you add it as well, but in this very one you are seeing here, I didn't add sugar, just salt, bread yeast and flour. So those dry ingredients, I just mix it together. Then I pour in the spinach, the blended spinach and the egg. I pour it in. Then I added uh, a spoon of butter to it as well. Then I just went ahead and mix everything together. So after mixing properly, then I cover it to allow to to settle down, or for 40 minutes. I cover it for 40 minutes. So after 40 minutes I brought it out. Then I just roll it, to form the dough, any sizes, the shape that you want your bread to be. So I'm not perfect, you see the way I'm rolling mine. So that was it for the mixing. There is nothing difficult about it, just the way I explain it. So here I just put it on my baking pan. Then I'm going to cover it for more 10 minutes. Okay, I will cover it for more 10 minutes for the bread to relax more. So I will be back. So this was 10 minutes later. I just brought out liquid milk. So I'm just brushing it with liquid milk. So after that, um after brushing with liquid milk, I will be adding some dry nuts. You can add any dry nut of your choice. Okay, and you can as well bake it without adding any nut. So that choice is totally yours. So after that, I'm going to bake it for 40 minutes in 180-degree. And right there we have our bread out from the oven, looking fluffy, yummy and very, very delicious. It really came out amazing. It came out really nice.
Look at
I love it.
our spinach bread. Let's have a slice of it. Oh my God. Look at that, guys. Wow. Fluffy, fluffy, fluffy. This is really, really yummy. I'm already having a bite of it. I'm using this for dinner, guys.